Just sold Apple stock at 11697. Apple stock day trading. Sell Apple stock at 11697. Why? It is Friday, November 21, 2014, and from the stochastic MACD.com. This is a big dog day trading tips, providing trading tips for day traders. All right. So yesterday we recorded our first video about a big dog day trading tips. That's the first one here. And we were trading Apple stock. And we continue with that today again. And we saw yesterday that on the 5-minute chart, I draw this pitchfork tool. And I was telling you that if one wants to buy, the best place to buy is above the green line here, which is the high, okay, of the previous 2 days candle. So if you don't understand what I'm talking about, you need to watch that video, okay, to understand what I'm talking about here. But then I say to traders that I would prefer to buy it if it pull back here, where I put the green line here, which is the median line of the lower part of the pitchfork tool. See, this is the lower part of the pitchfork tool, and the blue line here, that's the median line. But it did not happen. So instead, the price went up, as you can see. It went above this, so I did not have a chance to buy it, though trader bought it above the green line. It went up, and it pulled back, okay, here at the market close, and today it gap up. You see this volume here? A surge in trading volume on the 5-minute chart, okay? This is a 5-minute chart. So, but if you are making your decision, do not make your decision alone on the lower time frame, whether you're on the 3-minute chart, 1-minute chart, 2-minute chart, 50-minute chart. The decision must be made from the higher time frame. A setup, find a valid setup. That's why I decided to sell Apple stock here. All right. If you rely completely on information that you get on a lower time frame, you are likely to see, okay, a partial picture. You want to see the whole picture. All right. The price on different time frame to understand exactly whether it's going to go down or it's going to go up. Okay. That's all. Trading is about knowing when a financial instrument is about to go up or down. Okay. So I'm sold it here. It's working beautifully for me now. Why did I sell it? Okay. Talking about big dog day trading tips, this series of video, I want to share with traders. What I'm trying to do here is to draw the attention of traders to what they need to do, what they need to pay attention to, so they can make excellent decisions. That's all. This is the purpose of this video. I will be pointing out things for traders, how myself, okay, I day trade. I use pitchfork tool as I show you here, okay. It's excellent tool to minimize the risk if you want to enter a trade. All right, you can see here the reason why I sold it here. It was coming near the median line, so it went down. So you see this volume here. All right, try to pull back and try to go up near the median line, rally a little bit. And now I see this candle here, this wick here, give me a bit of confidence to start looking for opportunity to sell right here. Okay, also there was this high here. Okay, the price was returning below this previous high. The high before the last high is a psychological price level. So this level here is a psychological price level on this 5-minute chart. This is the last high. Price returning back below the previous high is a weakness. All right. Okay, so why am I selling it? I'm not selling it because of what I've seen on the 5-minute chart. As I showed you yesterday, let's go to the 2 days chart. All right. Waiting for, there is a bit of delay in this data today. The BAT real time. Okay, so I don't know what's going on today. Anytime I click on this, I have to wait. I hate that. I hate that so much. I don't like that. Just annoying. Okay, let's pause the video. I'll come back to it soon. So pausing the video, we come back to it soon. Thank you, traders. So we are now on the 2 days charts. And this is the candle I want you to pay attention to. Okay, I think I can remove these two things. Okay, so you see this candle here. Okay, the price on the 2 days chart. This is a 2 days chart. And you can see that the price went up all the way here. That's where I draw the red horizontal line. That's the high of this candle. But it was a bullish candle, so the price did open here and went up here, but did close below the median line of that candle. So you see here, whenever you see a candle, a bullish candle, just to remember that the median line, which is the midpoint of the candle, you can see that the price did close below the median line. If you see a bullish candle that closed below the median line, it means that it's a bit bearish. All right. So this one you can see went all the way up here, but some people sold it here. There are orders here to sell. So we need to be careful. Though you see here it's trying to go back above the high, until that time is still a little bit bearish. That's why I'm selling Apple stock here. All right. Just paying attention to the candlestick bar and the price itself, the number one indicator, is clear to us that some orders are here to sell. These are bearish orders. All right. So you can see the second candle also. There were still some people selling, but finally, this one is becoming bullish. As you can see, the price going up now. It goes above the previous high. That's why I'm selling Apple stock here. It's a bit risky, but I want to give it a chance because it's also Friday today. You can see here delayed data again, still waiting. You see here delayed data. It's the first time I experience this too much like this. On every occasion, I click on it, have to wait. But also today is Friday. Trying to play a little bit of mind game, going to the mind of other traders and see what's going to happen. Very often, Friday is usually a very, very bullish day, but I want to stick to my plan, which means I want to sell Apple stock at the point where I sold it, okay? All right, still delayed data here again. Or maybe it's my internet connection. Delay data again, see here. All right, let's pause the video again and then okay, traders, we are back again on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, I sold Apple stock. By the way, I'm using 40 pips, 40 stop loss, 40 pips stop loss. So this is my entry point here at 11697. All right, using a stop loss of 40 pips. All right. That's what I'm doing here. So it's still working beautifully. So we just wait and see what's going to happen. Now, as I explained to you, the reason why I'm selling, all right, so the price at a resistance zone, a zone where we can clearly see, looking at the price itself, without using any indicator, it's clear to us that there are other people that are selling, okay, Apple stock in this region, all right? Now, what is amazing is that this morning, as the price got up, okay, it pulled back here, you see, pull back here, and it start going up, okay? As it start going up, well, look here, there's no more, okay, activity. We don't see any more volume coming up because normally, after I pull back, if we see, you see here, yeah, it's a bit of, see here, price pull back, okay? And now you see a bit of surge in trading volume. Here again, you see here, it pulled back, a bit of surge in trading volume. But here you can see that there was a surge in trading volume after the pullback, and the price continued to go up. But here, after the pullback on the 5-minute chart, in a resistance zone, as I show you, because we must find a valid setup. It's very important for traders, okay? So you are using TSCW24, find a valid trade setup, okay? Pay attention to the economy news before you go to the first best time frame. Do not go to the first best time frame doing your own thing. Next thing, trade on the edge, All right. So do not take signal that are in the middle of nowhere. Okay. So use like pitchfork tool, trend line, channel, trade on the edge. That's how professional trading. Trade around key level, trade around channel, trade around trend line. Don't overtrade if you're trading forex. Understand the correlation between currency pair and go step by step, okay? Because day trading is a competition, all right? It's a big competition. Let's see how long we have been recording this video here. Now we are talking now 10 minutes. I may have to pause this video at one point. She's working beautifully now, all right? Why is it working beautifully? Because I'm not alone selling here, all right? I'm not alone. As I show you on a 2 days chart, there were people selling before. This candle is telling us a lot of story. All right, this candle here. You see the one before? Look at that. It's quite amazing. The previous candle was very, very bullish candle, followed by another very bullish candle, which finally closed below the median line. Well, ladies and gentlemen, until we go above the high of this candle, it looks more bearish. All right? It looks more bearish. So I can't, if you want to buy, you need to be very careful. That's why yesterday on the 5-minute chart, hopefully I will not have delayed data if I switch my time frame again. Okay, now it's working. All right. All right. That's why yesterday I did not want to buy. Okay. Where were we? We start 5-minute chart yesterday. Where are we? I did not want to buy above, okay? The green line here, I did not want to buy here, all right? I was expecting it to pull back here because it looks a bit bearish. So if in that case, you want to buy at the lowest risk point, okay? So if it's a bit risky, try to find the best place where you can buy. If you are desperate to buy, as I was yesterday, was saying, okay, it looks more bearish. If I want to buy here. So because of why? See, there was this head here, okay, a left-hand side shoulder, okay, and then okay, this okay pullback. You see, when it's horizontal like this. So I want to buy near that zone, so I can have my stop loss somewhere here. You don't want to buy here. So, but as you can see today, again, I sold it near this. Okay, my stop loss is above this median line on the 5-minute chart, and it's working beautifully now. Okay, yes or no? The price now at 11638. All right, how much? Check it out. Okay, beautiful trade, isn't it? All right, more than 60 pips so far. I'm going to take my profit now out of this trade. I'm out of this trade now because the price returned back to the closing price of yesterday. It closed here, so I'm coming out of this trade. Beautiful trade, you see here, from 11697. Drop it down to 11636. All right? Very fast. It may continue to go down more, but in this scenario, you see here, it pulled down, rally, pull back. For us to understand area way, when we see 1, 2, 3 like this, we are a little bit careful. All right? A little bit careful. So, a little bit careful. Whenever, if you see 1, 2, 3, a little bit careful, okay? Some people will try to buy here, all right? If you want to sell it again, okay, what do we need to do? We will be patient again. If we want to sell, because now we can draw a line on this 5-minute chart. I can draw a line like this along this, okay? Okay, it's a bit too steep, this line. So, myself, because to be on the right side, because today is Friday, you see some people will buy here, all right? Some people will buy definitely here. And you see they are taking profit, okay? They're taking profit here now. So, and if I want to challenge them again, the price must go back to the starting point, at least that point here, okay? All right, before we can see whether we can look for opportunity to sell again. If it goes above this my entry point and the final support, then we will continue. You will have to go back up again. All right. This is the end of this video. All right, about the big dog day trading tips. This is the second video that we are recording. In this series of video, I'm trying to wake up the day trader in traders and pointing to traders what they need to pay attention to. You are a day trader, you want to trade on the edge, all right? check our webpage at stochasticmarket.com on the edge. The setup must be on the edge of a channel, on the edge of a trend line, on the edge of a key levels, all right? You want to trade on the edge. If the price is going to be bullish, as I show you here, all right, pay attention carefully. What I did yesterday, I was playing with the high, okay? People love to buy Apple stock, okay? That's for sure. People love to buy Apple stock. Now, so we see here there was this candle, I'll highlight the high, this one highlight the high, okay? The high, because it's going to be bullish, okay? Primer display, a new high. So we can use the high on a 2-day chart, on a daily chart, on any time frame. If the price finds support on the previous high, it's bullish. If the price finds resistance below the previous low, it's bearish. So we can play with those key levels. So yesterday we were in fact the green line that you see here was here. This is where I put it first. This one, the high of the day before. That's where I put it before. See here? All right, that was the high that we were watching. Okay. All right. So today, our attention was on this resistance here, the red one of this one here, and what has happened. Okay. And always use the pitchfork tool, because why? The professional also using the pitchfork tool. Now, I can decide to join these people and buy, but I don't want to buy because of what I've seen on a 2-day chart. All right. So I don't want to until we find a support above the red line, which is the high of that candle on the 2-day chart. I'm not excited. Okay. It doesn't matter what people are saying. It can go up, but it must go up and find a support, break a ball, retest before I will be willing to buy it. Otherwise, I will be giving priority to sell signal. It makes sense? It is also powerful. From stochasticmarket.com, this is a big dog day trading tips. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW at 24 traders. Speak to you soon.